Thank you for the time. I will present my paper in the fourth ECOMSET International Conference on Computer Science, Engineering, and Technology by UMTAS. I will share screen my presentation. This is my paper. The title is Smart Building, a Systematic Literature Review. My ID is ABS 223. My name is Prastya Cahya Saputra from graduate student, Dr. Computer Science, Bina Nusantara University. This is our abstract of my paper. Smart building will become a necessity now and in the future in almost all countries in the world, especially in big cities. Most modern buildings or property are built with the aim of reducing expense by reducing energy consumption. The energy of saving and preserving energy and developing a sustainable building environment or property are important factors in the smart building concept. Earlier, from many literature study, many definitions of smart building were unclear and did not reflect all the parameters regarding smart building. This could be due to the variety of practical contexts that include any component related to smart building and the absence of standardization. This study will discuss what component and subcomponent must exist in a smart building. Research sources come from literature study in the form of journal and paper indexing by Scopus. The results of the study are used to determine a smart building model. Introduction. The Population Department of United Nations definition of social and economic affairs state that in 2017, the world population was 7.6 billion people and will increase to 8.6 billion in 2030, 9.8 billion in 2050, and 11.2 billion in 100. The United Nations also state that currently 50% of the population live in urban area and will grow to 68% by 2050. This global population growth will automatically increase energy demand by 56% in 2040. And smart building is the part of formation of smart city. The smart city component are smart economy, smart people, smart government, smart mobility, smart environment, and smart living. And then from the others paper, we found the smart building component they have 7 components. Building control system, energy management system, safety security management, and then the other component is enterprise building management system, IT network connectivity, green building, and building automation system. And then the research question and methodology. We have 2 research questions. The first is, what are the component and subcomponent apart from the smart building? And the second research question is, what are new technology will be implemented in smart building? This is the methodology. We're using the 4 pass. The first is identification articles, and the second is screening, and the third pass is eligibility, and the fourth pass or the final pass is final selected articles. The first, in the definition, we find from the keyword, we find 151 articles, and then in the screening, we found to be 96 articles, and in eligibility pass, we found 40 articles. And then the final selected article, I found the 38 articles. This is the systematic literature review analysis. We're using the database only in Scopus, and the article section is, I'm in the paper, year of publication are 2017 until 2021, and we selection the article writing in English only, and the article type, I'm choose the journal and proceeding only, and index it more than one, and appropriateness of article contents in smart bidding. This is the keyword. I'm using keyword, this keyword to find the article, and then this is the summary of study found in the article, and then the candidate studies and the selected studies. In the studies found in journal, I'm find one in the study found 109, and then in proceeding 42 articles. The total is 151, and the candidate study, the journal is I'm found 97 about the smart building, and then the proceeding found the 29, and then the total is 96 in candidate studies, and then the selected studies or the final selecting article, we find 29 in the journal and the 9 proceeding, and the total is 38 article. This is the analysis about the smart building articles published by years. In 2017, we found 3 articles, and then in 2018, we find 9 articles, and in 2019, we find the 40 articles. In 2020, I find 4 articles, and 2021, there are 8 articles. And this is the document by the subject area. The mostly smart building in subject area engineering with 21.9%, and then the second in subject area about the computer science, they have 90.7%, and the third is in energy discussion, 15.3%, and then the decision science is 20.4%. And I'm using the SciMed software to know about the link, or know about the network, or know about the correlation about between one keyword and the other keyword. And the SciMed software can produce the picture like this. Many relation in smart bidding, like the mostly in energy efficiency or energy utilization. And in systematic literature review analysis, I'm found from the first, there are 7 components in smart bidding. And then after the analysis from the article, we find 1 component, the newest component. And then in the paper, I write this is the new component, and the name is advanced technology. We have the subcomponent is blockchain, big data, and machine learning. In blockchain, we found 3 articles, and then in the big data, we found 4 articles. In the machine learning, artificial intelligence, and augmented reality, I find 3 articles. And this is the new component in smart bidding using the new technology. And this is the conclusion of my paper. New technology that are starting to emerge and are applied to smart bidding from the result of systematic literature review, and later also become subcomponents. First is blockchain, which is used for the implementation of smart contract. And then the second is the using all the technology of big data, and the third is artificial intelligence and machine learning. The limitation of this paper is that the source of the article only draw from article published on Scopus. For future research, it will be extended by taking literature study from various databases to get more comprehensive and more complete result. This paper can be developed further because the current smart building concept is developing very rapidly and adopting many new technology. So theoretically, it will be possible to create a standard model for the smart building model for global one, and those will special characteristic for a country. It's also possible for the academic to be able to expand the scope of research and explore research on smart building area. So finally, I'm say thank you. I can present my paper in fourth ECOMSAT. Thank you very much.